Welcome to our classes. Today in this video I will discuss about journal entry of cash discount and trade discount. Cash discount and trade discount. What is a cash discount and trade discount? Cash discount and trade discount and how to create entry. The main difference between trade and cash discount in terms of journal entries is that trade discounts are not recorded in books while cash discounts are recorded in books. And now, what is trade discount? These are not recorded in the books because the net amount which is payable calculated after reducing the discounted amount from the invoice, and the trade discount are calculated as a percentage discount or flat monetary amount. Second, cash discount. These are the recorded in the debit section of accounting books, and a separate ledger account for the discount granted is opened in the seller's books, and discount received is recorded in the buyer's account. This is the cash discount. I will I will tell you how to calculate this trade discount and how to enter the journal entry in the books. For example, we have given one statement, that is purchase of goods. Purchase of goods from Aman, Mr. Aman, worth rupees 50,000. We have given 50,000 with 10% trade discount. We have given 50,000 with 10% trade discount, and 50,000's the 10%, that will be equal to 5,000. We have given rupees 5,000 as a trade discount. Now 5% cash discount, 50,000 minus 5,000, that is known as 45,000, and calculate 5% on this. 5 ones are 5, 5 twos are 10, 0. 0 cut will this 0, and it will be find out that is equal to 2250. This is cash discount. Here you calculate trade discount 10% of 50,000, that will equal to 5,000. Here after minus 50,000 by 50,000 minus 5,000, that will be equal to 45,000, and 45,000's 5%, that will be equal to 2,215, and after subtracting 45,000 minus 2,250, that is equal to 45,000 minus 2,250, that will be equal to 42,000. 059 minus 2 7, 42,750, that is equal to final amount. Now how will we enter amount? Here cash, it will be pass out entry in the journal, that is purchases account debit to cash to discount, and after trade discount we will get, this is equal to 45,000, and out of 45,000 cash discount, that is equal to 2,250, and we have to pay for purchases 42,750. This is your this is your journal entry to pass cash discount. You should be keep in mind that cash discount will be calculated and will be entered in the books, but trade discount will be calculated but not will be show in the books. It will be only reduced from total value, purchase value, and after that only reduced value will be entered in the books. For example, purchased goods rupees 20,000 with 20% discount, 20% trade discount. What will be the entry? Purchases account debit to cash account. We will not pass trade discount entry. We will be only pass here reduced value, 20,000 multiply 20%, that will be equal to 4,000. After subtracting 4,000 from 20,000 we will get 16,000. So entry will be passed by 16,000 reduced value. But if you have given in question like this, purchased goods rupees 20,000 with 20% cash discount. If written in cash discount, then entry will be passed like this: purchases account debit to cash account to discount discount account. Here entry passed like this: 20,000 value passed in purchases account debit to cash 16,000, and 4,000 discount will be passed in journal entry also. This is the journal entry of cash discount, and this is the journal entry of trade discount. Thank you. If you like my video, please like and share my channel with your friends so that you can get next coming videos related to your subject.